Today, Brian is going to harvest Mammoth Jalapeños so we can make some jalapeno poppers today. Just gonna harvest the biggest ones. That's gonna make a good popper. Here's a big one.
You got 3 of them right there practically. There's 2 here. Man, this tree planter is
Here's one right up here.
amazing.
Go ahead and get all 3 of those. Three of those 4.
That one's a big one.
Yeah, it is. Here's a big one right here.
We ain't buying jalapenos this time.
Here's 3 you can get right there. Whew.
Good grief, that one's
That
huge.
one's huge. Go ahead and get probably all 3 of those. So that plant will keep producing. You robbed them. Let's see, have we missed any?
Look how pretty that bowl
Oh
is.
my gosh. Here's another one over here, baby.
Another bit, here's a big one.
Yeah, so you want to harvest your jalapenos when they're ready to be harvested, because if you don't, then the plant will think it's done. Oh, that one got wedged up in there. I pulled it out. Maybe it'll keep going. Here's a huge one. Look at that fatty right there. Fatty, fatty.
Can't leave that one. Look how long that one is.
Well, if you want some jalapeno poppers, you need to grow some mammoths.
Where'd you say the other big one was? Right here?
Yeah. So whatever he does not use today for the poppers, I'm going to be harvesting jalapenos out of the big garden, and I'm going to water bath those into, go ahead and get that one, baby. Water bath those into just sliced,
Pickled.
yeah, sliced pickled jalapenos. Here's a fat one over here, but it's not very long. Should we go ahead and get it? There's 2 more behind it.
I'll let it get a little bigger.
Well, that plant may not keep producing, but anyway, so you want to make sure you're harvesting your peppers when they're ready to be harvested.
We're flowering
Because
again.
then that will force it to keep growing. So it doesn't think, oh, we're done, because they're not harvesting. So anyway, harvest them when they're ready. So I got to get out to the garden and harvest those jalapenos. Let me see what you got, baby. Let me see what you got. Check that out. There must be 25 of them in there. Look at that. Size of my hand. Heck yeah.
Big peppers.
And that wraps up the Mammoth Jalapeno poppers.
Speaking of mammoth, Mammotion.
Mammotion Rambo Mambo is out mowing right now. The ground's a little wet. He missed his mowing day on Monday because it was raining. So it was time to get this yard mowed. 22 Mammoth Jalapenos just from the green stalk. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.